how to enable or disable verify apps over USB on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Edge, or the Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. After that, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down to the bottom, and then we tap on developer options. From here, scroll down to the debugging section, and then keep scrolling down. From here, tap on verify apps over USB. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on, or tap on it to switch it off. Here it said that with this option, it will check apps installed via ADB, ADT for harmful behavior. Now, these options at the moment is disabled because my phone is not attached to the computer in the development app. But once it is attached to the computer and set up for debugging, then these options will become available. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.